Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2014 Infiniti Q60 IPL. Now in 2014, Infiniti changed their model names. So this is the exact same thing as the G37. Maybe a few tweaks here and there, but all in all, the exact same car. That's not going anywhere. IPL came with a different exhaust, which does sound awesome, as well as an ECU tweak to the 3.7 liter V6, producing 348 horsepower. Good and proper bump up in power from the stock Q60. Different front fascia, different wheels, just a little bit more aggressive all around. This one is purple over red, which actually does look pretty good. I wasn't expecting to like it. Take a look at that tuned 3.7. Nice, you do have IPL right up there. That is shut, but without further ado, let's take this thing out on the road where this thing was meant to be. All right. Could option these with a 7-speed manual. This one's fitted. A 6-speed manual. This one's fitted with the 7-speed automatic. A couple different drive modes. You have normal drive, drive sport, manual. Yeah, I'll do drive sport at first. I like that. So people back there complaining about room, you can just move it up a little bit. Now, let it be known, I am 99% sure this is the factory exhaust. 99% sure. So keep that in mind once we start listening to this thing. See why I made that comment? It is properly loud, and it doesn't have that stereotypical sound that these 3.7s do when you just straight pipe them. You know, they could be in a brass choir, sound like a proper trombone. This doesn't have that sound. It's a properly nice sound to it. It's not over the top. It's just a nice overall exhaust. Over. Visibility is actually phenomenal. This is my first time driving a G37, a Q60 of this generation. I've always loved them. Always did. The IPLs are extremely rare. I've only seen one before this. Only one. So I never thought I'd ever drive one. sounds like a proper sports car. And it drives like one too. Steering feel is phenomenal. This doesn't have the electric steering of the current Q60, which they have improved for 2021. But you can just instantly feel there's a lot more response here. Turn the AC off because it is blowing ice cold. All right, 6th and 7th gear are essentially the same ratio. Oh my god, it's so loud. Which way are you going? What a car, guys. What a car. Oh yeah, okay, I won't go that way then. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.